10.5 question number 1. He said find the angle between x plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So line is x plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. What will be the slope of this line? That is a coefficient of x upon b coefficient of y minus, and the second line is 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. What will be the slope of this line? m2, that is a upon b, and it's negative minus 3. So we got m1 is this, m2 is this. Angle between these two lines is tan theta m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So we got it, m1 is minus 1 by 2, m2 is minus 3, so minus minus plus. So we got it 3 minus half, 2 and a half means 5 by 2, divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 will be again 5 by 2. So we got tan theta is equal to 1, theta is equal to 45, angle between two lines, right? Equation of line passing through the point 4, 5. You have to find the equation of this line which passes through the point 4, 5. Let us say AB line, and making an angle of 45 degree with angle of 45 degree with a line 2x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now just a mistake, general mistake here is we are doing here is, if angle is given, we consider it tan 45 and its slope is tan 45, that is 1, and point is given, use 1 point form to write the equation. But this is a blunder. What? Tan 45 we can consider only when this given is x-axis. Angle of inclination is with x-axis, not with any other line. So this is means angle with any other line is given. So let us say the slope of this line is m. Slope of this line is a upon b and it's negative. And use the formula tan theta, that is tan 45 here. Tan theta is m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Right? So we are using here this concept, angle between two lines, because line is not x-axis. If it would be x-axis, then we can write the slope is tan 45, but this is not x-axis given, right? So slope of this is a upon b and it's negative 2, and slope of this is, let us say, m. By solving this you will get m. Then you can use 1 point form to write the equation. Tan 45 is 1, so 1 plus 2m is equal to m minus 2. We got m is equal to minus 3. And see, it was with mode, right? Here we have not considered because 141 angle is 45, other we can find by using this. So we asked only one angle. Here you have to use it that it is mode, so once take it positive and once it is negative. Tan 45 minus 1, tan 45 is 1, but mod, if we are removing, plus minus 1, so this is plus case and this is minus case. So it is minus 1 minus 2m is equal to m minus 2. We got it 1 is equal to 3m. So m is equal to 1 by 3. Right? So m is minus 3, m is 1 by 3, and point is 4, 5. So equation is y minus y1, slope x minus x1. That is 3x plus y minus 5 minus 12. This is plus 12, here it will be negative. And for this equation will be y minus y1, slope x minus x1. Why it is 4, 5? So 3y. We got x minus 3y plus 11. 3y will transpose to this side, 15 to this side is equal to 0. So we have two answers, two equations like this. Write it down.